of my trading system as we develop and selling those need. Okay, so today going to talk about my system, how it's work and what is this. So first of all, let me tell you about this. This system is developed by Profit Traders House and no any source file available for sale. So kindly before connecting, make sure you need just a copy, no need a source file because we are not selling the source file of this system. Okay, and the first thing I want to tell you, always if you want successful trading in binary, so you need to one thing for always is this trading with risk management and with future planning. Okay, let's talk about my system. So what is this? So first of all, looking at this point, my mouse cursor showing the arrow and look at the line of sale and look after RSI sale and look how much pips. Okay, I hope you've seen how much pips. Okay, let me scroll. Look here, the buy arrow and the buy green line and look here and look here and the sale signal, sale line and the sale. Look here at the buy signal and the buy arrow and the buy green RSI confirmation. And look here, the sell signal at the sell signal and the sell signal 3 confirmation, and the look is this your exit point. And then look here, buy signal, a buy line and a buy green RSI. So it's very easily and a very awesome trading system. If you are interested in this, feel free. Check the description, all information included in description. Feel free contact with us and we will give you the copy of this system and trade. If you are scalper, day trader, long-term position holder, no problem. This system will always help you to make awesome pips. Okay, and we will guide you how to make more pips using this system. Okay, so I hope you are always interested and sure. So if still have any question, feel free ask me. I'm here to give you the answer.